Hey, so if you want to sell your digital products, courses, or any creative work online, Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to get started with. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use it. First, go to Gumroad and create an account. You can sign up with your email or connect with Google. Once you're logged in, set up your profile. Add your name, profile picture, and a short bio so buyers know who you are. Next, click Products arrow, Add a product. You can sell digital downloads, physical products, or even memberships. Upload your files if it's a digital product, or add descriptions for your physical items. Don't forget to write a clear title and product description. It helps buyers know exactly what they're getting. Now set your price. You can choose a fixed price, pay what you want, or even free with optional payment. Gumroad allows you to customize your checkout page, add a logo, change colors, and include additional questions if needed. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. Your product is now live and ready to sell. Copy your product link and share it on social media, email, or your website. Gumroad also provides analytics to see how your products are performing. So yeah, that's how you use Gumroad step by step. It's simple, fast, and perfect for creators. If this helped, check out more guides like this for selling online.